the Patch LT, and the CX module. So the first unit that I want to talk about is the Patch LT. This is from Flock Audio. This is essentially a 16 input, 16 output patch bay. And if you know what a patch bay is, it essentially allows you to be kind of modular with inputs and outputs for hardware or for, line in and line out of your interface. It essentially just allows you to move around cables. However, this is all digital, so there are no cables to be moved. It's very, very simple. You can easily connect it to all of your hardware via DB25 cables on the back. You can essentially connect everything via DB25, so you can have your outputs here, go to your inputs of whatever hardware you want to connect, and then the outputs of your hardware can just come to the inputs of this. And essentially everything will communicate through this app. We're going to talk a lot more about the app in detail later, but just so you can see it, it might look a lot like your inserts on whatever DAW you use, and that's exactly how it works. You can essentially add all of your hardware here, and then as you build out chains, you can have your inputs and then your hardware, and then it can just come into your interface. Now, this unit is their smaller unit. It's 16 ins, 16 outs. They do have a 32 in and out, a 64 in and out, and I believe a 96 or 128 in and out. They are really, really, really wild. This is gonna do me just fine for right now until I get more gear. I've used hardware patch bays. I've had everything hardwired to where there were no patch bays and everything was just set on a chain. This gives you the flexibility of a patch bay, but it gives you the seamlessness of it being hardwired. To me, I don't know, it's just such a specific thing that the Flock does that no other unit does.